Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that we have s to the power of 3. We can write into s squared multiplied by s. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of 1 minus s squared. Next, we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about 1 minus s squared. So we put negative s squared go to the left, u squared go to the right. So we have s squared equal to 1 minus u squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. We have to s ds equals to negative 2u du. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. The square root we change by u. S squared we change by 1 minus u squared. And about s ds we change by negative u du. So we have u multiplied by u. We got about u squared. Negative u squared multiplied by number 1 and negative u squared. And this one you got about u to the power of 4. The integration of u squared, we have negative u to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.